Today we'll be testing out the Foster dishwasher. So if you've seen dishwashers in the market, most of them looks bulky and ugly like a washing machine. It doesn't blend well with your kitchen cabinet. So you can see that my kitchen here is all white in color, white and brown mixture. So if there is one washing machine here, it looks ugly. So do you know where is my dishwasher? It's actually here. So this is Foster fully integrated dishwasher. The front part here is actually your cabinet door. So whatever door you are using, for example, if you're using 4G or 3G, you can get your carpenter to mount a piece of the door here in front, so it will blend well with your kitchen cabinet. It looks perfectly nice. So this is the interior. It's able to load up minimum 15 people of plates, bowls, and silverware or spoons. So you can see the cups, the wine glasses, the bowls will fit above here. Extra space here for you to put your knife or maybe your spoon up there. So we will be testing this today and see how is the performance. So here I have some dirty bowls and plates. So I just now baked them inside the oven for 160 degrees, 30 minutes. So you can see this is the curry stain, dried, all dried up. Chili sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, and many other sauces here. And then this is the melted sugar, brown sugar. So we will try to do a demo and wash all this and see how the dishwasher performs. Besides then all this stain, you can see glasses. You can see that this wine glass is a little bit foggy. You can see it's foggy. So we will put this in the dishwasher and see how it turns out. So utensils, your silverware also, you can see with hand wash, eventually it will turn a little bit foggy. So we'll wash all this and see the result after 1 hour. So now we can load up the dirty dishes. We'll open the door. And then first the bowl. The bowl with the curry stain, we can put it here. The soy sauce, the Chinese sauce, you put at the back. So I'll randomly put the plates, then you will see how clean they are. The chili sauce, melted sugar. I'll put this at the back. So that's it. So you can see I've loaded up all this here. The foggy cups, the wine glass, the bowls, the foggy spoon. I'll put it here in front. So to start, it's very simple. The functions are all here. Oh, if you notice, when you are putting the plates in, it might drip or cause the door to be dirty. It's okay, no worries. After the cleaning cycles, this will be clean as well. So to start, first we'll need to put in some dishwasher powder. So I'm currently using this. I'll just put some. Okay, I usually put the minimum only. It's actually good enough. This part here is for you to put the rinse aid. The rinse aid will help to dry faster and also make the glasses shine better. So okay, now to start, you just press the on button. Then usually for this type of stain, we can go for delicate. So with delicate function, it will take 1 hour. If you have very stubborn stain or something that is very sticky, you can go for this. With this, it will be 2 hours. So for normal plates, bowls, you go for delicate. This one is sufficient. So once you have done the setting, push it in, it will start. So when it starts, you see the red light on the floor. once it is done washing, the red light will disappear. Okay, so people would usually ask, what happened if I accidentally open the door while it's still washing? So before I open up the door, we'll let you hear the noise level. This is my microphone here. You can see that it's very near to the door. You hardly hear anything. The noise level is super low. Let's hear it again. So okay, now we will open the door and see what happened if I open the door while washing. You can see the red light is still there. So you can see all the water. It's still washing. You can see it's dripping, but there is no water at all on the floor. So don't worry, if you were to open the door while washing, it will automatically shut off and it will not leak. So don't worry about that. Okay, once the washing cycle has been completed, the red light at the bottom will disappear, and then open up the door about like 10 minutes for the steam to escape, for it to cool down. So you can see that the door, just now it was dirty, there was curry stain on it. Now it's clean. The door is completely clean. Okay, let's check the inside. The curry bowl here, this one, completely clean, spotless. Very good. The soya sauce, the oil, completely clean as well, like brand new. The sugar, clean, all clean. Then lastly, the chili sauce is clean as well. So you see that I'm only using the 1 hour cycle to clean it. No problem. It removes all the dirt with just 1 hour. So now let's check the foggy wine glass. Wow, amazing, right? You see, shiny, crystal clear. Every one of it, crystal clear. You can see how beautiful they are. So that's why, tested and proven, this dishwasher can do a better job compared to hand washing.